I'm here with Phil from Anker Australia, and we've got some really cool new changes to the Anker SOLIX system. Phil, what have we got here?
So this is the power dock. So the system you've got at your home, this would work perfectly alongside it. So what this offers is a whole home backup solution. It enables you to still have a parallel system, that's still possible, but it adds a whole bunch of additional features like whole home backup, the parallel setup for the installer. It's much simpler and faster to do. And it also enables seamless integration with some future products we've got in the pipeline. So this is really going to take our product to the next step. So if you're looking at the AC coupled solution, you've already got a string inverter on site. Our AC coupled with the gateway is going to offer, backup, black start, keep the string inverter running in a blackout. So it's really going to step into a gap in the market that I think is massively underserved.
This video was made thanks to generous support from the organisations and individuals on screen.
That's a really big upgrade because a lot of AC systems can't do black start. And what that means is if you've got a really extended outage, like in Sydney, there was a 3 or 4 day outage in some suburbs earlier this year after a big storm. What it enables is the solar panels will continue feeding the battery. And once it goes dry overnight and starts again in the morning, the sun comes up, it'll fill the battery again. And that's the part which some other systems won't be able to do.
Yeah.
In an extended outage, those systems, once the battery goes dry, it just has to wait for the grid connection to come up again.
Yeah, you really want to keep that loop going. And look, the AC coupled product has been a success so far. This is going to take it to the next level. There is a big gap in that market where customers have spent good money on their string system. It's a couple of years old. 8 kilowatt single phase string from whatever brand. I don't want to rip that off. That's sunk costs already there. So let's add the battery alongside it and get all the features and have that blackout protection for those days that we know are coming.
Cool. And it keeps a sleek metallic look as well.
Yep, same form and function as the battery systems. And speaking of the same form and function, I want to show you the EV charger.
Okay, let's have a look.
So this is our V1 car charger. So this works alongside the products that we've already got. So if you've got an X1, this charger falls into the same app and enables you to have smart charging on top of that. So if you've got your system in place and you add the car charger to it, you can do charging from solar, you can schedule charging, you can work with your tariffs in your networked area and your retailer to get the max out of your renewable investment.
Cool. And I understand it's got a new functionality, very rare. It's hand gesture controllable.
I believe so, yeah. So I'm not exactly familiar on how it works yet, but you can sort of wave in front of it, and you can also set it up with RFID cards. So if it is at a workplace and you want to be able to lock it and unlock it, you can have that set up as well. And it also, you can have it set up on the app on its own. So if you were in an apartment and you want to have an EV charger, or you've got a setup where battery and solar doesn't fully work, you can still have the EV charger, you can still have it set up with some of those functionality, but obviously the cream of the crop is having it all integrated with your home solar and battery system. So
yeah, having it integrated with the Anker SOLIX inverter, battery system, and charger all together, and the power dock gateway would be the whole continuous package, which means you only need one Anker app to manage all that rather than having lots of multiple apps. But as Phil said, if you want a nice sleek looking EV charger that doesn't just look like a white box, and with the really cool gesture functionality, which is new, then yeah, this is also an option by itself with I think $350 off promotion until the end of 2025.
Yeah, so the promotion right now makes sure that the price for the V1 is really competitive with a lot of the market out there. And it is a smart charger. So it does have a lot of additional features that similar products in that price range don't have.
Cool. And if someone's got their Anker SOLIX X1 system linked in with Amber Electric to access wholesale pricing like I do, then this works perfectly with that. It can work solar only or solar plus grid or any other.
Yep, so we've sent the V1 to my friend Miles at Amber, and he's working on that integration right now. Our battery, the X1 product, fully integrated with Amber as of last week, I believe, so that's really exciting. And then we want to get the EV charger on there for their EV product. So
cool. So that means eventually once the team at Amber get it integrated, it can work smartly with signals from Amber about
Wholesale
hey,
pricing.
wholesale pricing.
Yep.
It might cost 1 cent to charge your car per kilowatt hour, which is pretty cool. Whether you've got a SOLIX X1 system like I do, or you have a standalone system because you live in a strata apartment, you could still access that, which is pretty nice.
Exactly.
Now, Phil, what a lot of people might have in their house already is something like this.
Yep.
Eufy security cameras. I've got doorbell. I've got a camera in my side pathway. We'll also show on screen. People have been using for many years, super reliable Anker pocketable little batteries and
Yeah.
charging cables and camping batteries as well.
Our PPS products,
Yeah.
So I'll run through these and give you a high-level overview. So obviously Eufy is probably the most well-known brand in Australia. We've sold over 1 million systems in Australia through Bunnings, through JB, I think through Harvey Norman as well. This is a consumer brand that you can go out and buy right now from the store. Very popular, really easy to use, really easy to set up for a whole range of technical customers. On the other side of the wall there is our mobile charging. That's where Anker started. So you've got your portable batteries, your charging docks, all sorts of things to make sure that you've got power in your life where you need it to be. And that's what Anker's message is we are proven globally, but we're becoming much more trusted locally with a full range of products. And speaking of being trusted, there's nothing more important than power while you're camping. And that brings us to the PPS range.
Yeah, let's have a look at that.
If you want to come with me, it's a little bit busy at the moment, but it's just day one of the show. What you see here is our full range of PPS products. So you've got all the way from the C300 up to the F2000, depending on the type of camping you're doing. And my personal favorite, the camping fridge here. So this is the Everfrost cooler. This is the second version. You've got your bottle opener, which will be important at about 2 p.m. today for me.
Yep.
And then you've also got the full fridge there. So that's a battery-powered fridge, can be charged off multiple sources like solar or from your car. And this will enable you to keep your amber liquids cold for that important time when you need them.
Yep, and all your food. And it's not just for camping.
No,
you often see tradies use this kind of thing to recharge their electric tools because electrification is spreading across Australia in many industries, and they might have a power drill or other tools like that, and they want to charge it on a work site without having access to grid energy.
Yeah, so if you are on site, the F3000 is actually a great product. A lot of horsepower output, so if you are doing things like arc welding and it does have that surge protector, you can roll that in and do it. You don't need to rent a Jenny, you don't need to keep topping it up, you don't need that sound annoying the neighbours. These bigger batteries are going to be perfect for people that are doing those sort of works on site.
Okay, awesome.
Happy days.
So one great thing about Anker SOLIX X1 is it can work in extreme weather with ease. Like I believe it can go up to 55 degrees Celsius without derating. And you were in the Northern Territory, which is famous for huge tropical storms. And there are people installing SOLIX X1 battery systems up there as well.
Yeah, absolutely. So, we want to make sure that all Australians have access to the same benefits, no matter where they are. And I'm a very proud Australian. I've travelled a lot of this country. I was in Darwin a couple of weeks ago, took the product up to some installers up there who don't get a lot of love from us city slickers down in the big states. And they were overwhelmed with the product. They love the features, they love the toughness, the waterproof rating, the temperature range, which as you noted is really important. And they've actually going to start installing those in pretty serious numbers up in Darwin. So we're going to have a lot of really cool sites, unique locations, some really cool pictures to share in the coming months as more installs go in.
Nice. And it's not just hot places. Australia has plenty of cold places as well.
Yep.
If you live in the Southern Highlands near Sydney or Tasmania, there's built-in heating in the Anker battery system.
Yeah, so there's an inbuilt heating pad. So the working temperature ranges from negative 20 degrees Celsius all the way up to 55. So we've got one of the widest thermal operating windows in the industry. So it covers everyone from the installs we do in northern Germany all the way down to Tasmania and everywhere in between.
Excellent.
Happy days.
Truly a reliable system. Thanks, Phil.
We've got a lot of people here who are excited to see everyone. So please, I want Nirav, go have a look at everyone else, but always come back to us. Appreciate it, Nirav.
Cheers.
Good to see you.
Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. It really helps me make more videos like this for you. And have a look at the suggested videos up above. I'm pretty sure you'll like those as well. Thanks, and see you later.